Hey, football fans, want to watch multiple NFL games at the same time and never miss a big play? Today, I'm showing you how to watch multiple games on NFL Sunday Ticket so you can keep track of all your favorite teams in one screen. First, open YouTube TV on your browser, smart TV, or mobile device and make sure you're signed in with the account that has NFL Sunday Ticket. Then navigate to the NFL Sunday Ticket channel or section. Next, enable Multi-View in the player controls. This lets you watch up to 4 games simultaneously, perfect for following multiple matchups at once. You can customize your view by selecting which games appear in each quadrant and switch the main screen to highlight a specific game while keeping an eye on the others. For the ultimate experience, combine Multi-View with NFL Red Zone to catch every touchdown from every game. Multi-View works with live games, local and national broadcasts, and out-of-market Sunday games. And that's it. Watching multiple games on NFL Sunday Ticket has never been easier. Subscribe for more streaming tips and enjoy every touchdown from every game this season.